Hello, my friends. Welcome to Project Management Instruments. And today we're taking a look at the requirement traceability matrix. As you can see here, the requirement traceability matrix goes a step further, building on the data that we collected in the requirement document that we saw in a previous episode. In a requirement traceability matrix, extremely important is first the requirement, and then building on that, the origin or source of the requirement. Those are two key fields that you absolutely should be capturing. Now, on top of that, we have priority, category, WBS linkage, verification, validation. In other words, who's verifying it, who's validating it, and an ID for the requirement. We also have the auxiliary information about the PM, the date, and so on at the top. And that pretty much is a requirements traceability matrix. It helps you prioritize the requirements. It helps you track the requirements to their origin. And I mean, everything else is pretty much gravy. Once you're tracking requirements to their origin, you can prioritize, you can categorize them for whatever they are: technical requirements, business requirements, functional requirements, whatever it is, solution requirements. And then if you wanted to, you can track them back to a WBS element. You could even track them back to a use case and a test script. So case in point, projects I've worked on in the past, we would have additional columns that map back to a use case, columns that map back to a test script, and all documented with numbers so that people know what exactly they need to be tested. And the column that reads validation pretty much means that you conducted the tests, you validated that indeed this did meet the requirements. And that's pretty much it for the RTM. This is an output of the collect requirements process. See you in the next episode.